Stop using AI to be lazy, use it to upgrade your brain instead. Because most people are getting dumber with AI, and a small group is getting scary smart. Today, I'll show you the difference, and tool number 3. That one feels like unlocking a cheat code for your mind. AI is not just a shortcut machine. It's not just for writing emails or doing homework or making pictures of cats in space. Used wrong, AI replaces your thinking. Used right, AI builds your thinking. Big difference, the smartest people right now. They're not avoiding AI, they're training with it, like a mental gym. Let me show you how. 1. AI as a thinking partner, not an answer machine. Most people ask AI for answers. Smart people ask AI to challenge their answers. Here's the shift. Don't say, explain marketing. Say, ask me questions that test if I understand marketing. Now AI becomes a coach, not a crutch. You can say, debate me on this topic. Point out weaknesses in my plan. Pretend you disagree and argue the opposite. This forces your brain to work. Struggle equals growth, easy equals forgettable. In a minute, I'll show you a prompt that turns AI into a personal thinking trainer. 2. AI as a personal tutor that never gets tired. School teaches one speed. AI teaches your speed. Too fast, ask it to slow down. Too simple, ask it to go deeper. Say this, explain this like I'm 12, then. Now explain it at university level. Then, now quiz me. That last part is magic. Testing yourself is how memory forms, not rereading, not highlighting. Testing, you can say, give me 5 questions on this. Don't give answers until I respond. Explain why my answer is wrong. That feedback loop? That's how experts are built, and it takes 30 seconds to start. 3. AI for mental models. This one changes how you think. Smart people don't just know facts. They know frameworks, mental shortcuts for understanding the world. AI is insanely good at this. Ask, what mental models apply to this problem? Explain this using first principles. What would a physicist think about this? Break this decision down using opportunity cost. Now you're not just solving a problem. You're upgrading how your brain solves all problems. This is where AI stops being a tool and starts becoming a thinking amplifier. Most people never do this. That's why they stay average. For AI as a curiosity engine, smart people ask better questions. AI helps you find them. After learning something, say, what are 5 deeper questions I should explore next? Boom, instant curiosity fuel. Or, what do beginners misunderstand about this topic? What do experts argue about? What's the controversial side? Now you're not just consuming info, you're exploring it. Curiosity builds connections in your brain. Connections build intelligence. Scrolling doesn't do that. This does. 5. AI for explaining what you think. Here's a hidden superpower. Explain your idea to AI and ask it to summarize your thinking. Example, here's my idea. Paste your thought. What assumptions am I making? This reveals blind spots. Or, rewrite my explanation more clearly. If AI can't understand your thinking, you don't understand it yet either. Clarity equals intelligence. Confusion equals illusion of knowledge. This one skill alone will make you sharper in meetings, interviews, and conversations. 6. AI as a simulation machine. Want to be smarter at life? Simulate. AI can roleplay almost anything. Say, act as a hiring manager. Interview me, act as a customer. Critique my product. Act as a debate opponent. Now you practice in a safe space. No pressure, no embarrassment, just reps, and reps build skill. Athletes train with drills. Smart thinkers train with simulations. Most people wait for real-life situations. You can rehearse them daily. That's an unfair advantage. 7. AI for reflection, where real growth happens. Here's the part nobody talks about. Thinking makes you smart, but reflection makes you wiser. At the end of your day, try this. Here's what happened today. Write bullet points. What could I have done better? What patterns do you notice in my behavior? What skills should I focus on improving? This turns AI into a thinking mirror. And mirrors reveal things we don't see ourselves. That feedback loop, that's how self-awareness grows. And self-awareness is a superpower, the prompt that turns AI into a brain trainer. Here it is. Save this, don't just give me answers. Ask me questions, challenge my thinking, point out weak logic. Push me to think deeper. That single instruction changes everything. Now AI works with your brain, not instead of it. Warning, the lazy trap. Quick truth. If you use AI to write everything for you, think everything for you, decide everything for you, your brain gets weaker. Just like muscles, but if you use AI to question yourself, practice thinking, explore ideas, your brain gets stronger. Same tool, opposite results. Your choice. AI is not the end of intelligence. It's the beginning of amplified intelligence. The future doesn't belong to people who avoid AI. It belongs to people who train with it. So don't just ask AI for answers. Ask it to make you think, because the real upgrade isn't in the software, it's in your brain. And most people still have no idea how to use it that way. Which means if you do, you're already ahead.